Want to know a secret? I like to cheat. Hi, I'm Aaron Jones coming to you from Nihama in Japan, and today I want to talk about an app that has saved me many times, and that is Cheatsheet. This is a very simple app for iOS. It's on iOS and watchOS, and it displays on the widget screen, on your lock screen, or on your Apple Watch. And it's good for recording and saving things that you need to remember, like hotel room numbers, phone numbers that you need to get to right away. And it also has a keyboard so that those same things that you need to remember, you can just add them to an email or to a document very easy by just switching to the keyboard and cutting and paste it into your application. Basically, this app is very simple. All you need to do is enter the information into the application. I'm not going to show you my application because it has many private things in it, but I'll give you some screenshots so you can see basically what it looks like. That's not a random one, so that doesn't actually have my real information. This is from the developer himself. But all you have to do is put that information in there and you have it. And it's very useful. Now, how it saved me a lot of times is when you stay in a hotel, a business hotel in Japan. When you check in the hotel, you get the key, you go to your room. If it's a lock key still, a lot of new hotels are the passes, but if they still have a lock key, which is they still have, when you go out of the hotel again to go out to eat dinner or go to your whatever you're doing in the city that you're visiting, you usually pass the key, which has the room number, back to the clerk. And then when you come back to the hotel, you just say your room number and they give you the key back. But if you forget to write down your room number, because it's maybe you just go in, like for me, I go in, check in, put my stuff in, and I go back out. I can, what's my room number? Well, I just add it to the cheat sheet app, and I can just check on my Apple Watch or check on the screen of my iPhone. Very useful for things like that. I also keep my home phone number and my cell phone number on it because I don't phone them, and my memory is getting worse these days, so that I can get to those quickly. I have my car's and my wife's car's license plate number, because sometimes you go somewhere or you park your car like at a hotel, they'll say, oh, please write your car's license plate number. Yeah. So I have that there. So those kind of useful things, postal codes, just about anything that you need to remember, you can just stick it into there and get to it very easy. Now, the app is free to download, and there is a charge if you want the pro features for syncing between the devices. I believe that's what it is. Not very expensive. I think it's like $3 US or something like that. I think it was like 200 yen or 300 yen. I forget when I bought it. Anyways, I recommend this app. It's a very simple app that you'll probably use every single day, and it will save you to get some important information that you can't always keep in here. Like, a combination to a lock. You can put the combination. If you have a suitcase, here's a case I just thought of now as I'm filming is, you're going traveling, you have those suitcases that have those little numbers, and you don't want to set it to 1 2 3 4 or 1 1 1 1. You want to make a code. When you set the code, you set the lock code, and you put the number in the cheat sheet. That way, when you can just look on your Apple Watch. Oh, there is the number. There's a good useful right there. I just saw it right there. Anyways, have you used Cheatsheet? If you haven't, I'm gonna put a link down in the description below, so check it out. If you have, let me know what you thought of it. If you have any other applications that are interesting like Cheatsheet that let you just very simple but can be a big lifesaver, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to see it. And that's enough for today. And until next time, see you then. Goodbye.